Hi, welcome to Tech Pulse. I'm Zaper, and with me is Puck.
Hey, can't wait to hear what's new today.
Big news. Scientists from China and Italy just split hydrogen using light at room temperature.
Wait, room temperature? I thought that normally needs crazy heat or pressure.
Exactly. That's what makes this huge. They use gold-loaded titanium dioxide as a photocatalyst, shining light to break hydrogen molecules safely and efficiently.
So, no more energy-guzzling, dangerous chemical setups?
Right. And the hydrogen they generate isn't just for show. They used it to convert carbon dioxide to ethane with over 99% yield, all at ambient temperature.
That's insane. And it actually works continuously?
Yes, 1,500 hours of continuous UVE radiation. They even produced ethylene afterward with similar yields.
Wow, this isn't just lab curiosity, it's real industrial potential.
Exactly. Hydrogenation reactions make up about 25% of all chemical processes in industry. This could drastically lower energy costs and reduce carbon emissions.
So, sunlight plus clever chemistry equals greener chemical production.
That's the idea. They envision a scalable, sunlight-driven process that could even modernize coal-based chemical industries sustainably.
This is like turning light into a carbon-neutral chemical factory.
Exactly. It's a paradigm shift for green chemical synthesis, showing how photochemistry can actually help fight climate change.
Incredible. Feels like the future just got a little closer.
Couldn't agree more. And that's what we've looked into today, how light and clever chemistry are reshaping industry. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next episode.